Good day, everyone. I am teacher Claver Molina Fragoso, your Mathematics 9 teacher for today. In this video lesson, we're going to discuss the topic about using properties to find measures of angles, sides, and other quantities involving parallelogram. Our learning competency is to use properties to find measures of angles and other quantities involving parallelograms with the code M9GE-IIIB-1. And for the objectives, letter A, find the measures of the sides, angles, and other quantities of a parallelogram using its properties. And letter B, solve problems involving parallelograms. Before we begin our lesson for today, I want you to get a piece of paper or a notebook and a ball pen for you to jot down some important details from our discussion. You are given 10 seconds to do that. Are you ready? Let's have a review of the previous lesson.
What is a parallelogram?
Excellent! A parallelogram is a quadrilateral where two pairs of opposite sides are parallel and congruent. How about the properties of the parallelogram? Let us assess parallelogram M9GE-IIIB-1.
What property of a parallelogram does it convey?
You are right. Conveys that in a parallelogram, both pairs of opposite sides are congruent. Side MA and side HT are opposite sides and congruent. Also, side MH and side AT are opposite sides and are congruent. How about this figure?
What property of parallelogram does it show?
Precisely! Both pairs of opposite angles are congruent. Angle M and angle T are opposite angles and congruent. Angle H and angle A are opposite angles and congruent. How about the next illustration? Exactly! In a parallelogram, pairs of consecutive angles are supplementary. Remember, two angles are supplementary if their sum is 180 degrees. Angle M plus angle A equals 180 degrees. Angle A plus angle T equals 180 degrees. Angle T plus angle H equals 180 degrees. And angle H plus angle M equals 180 degrees. Let us examine this illustration. What property is involved? Bravo! The diagonals bisect each other. Take note that a diagonal is a line segment joining two non-consecutive vertices of a polygon. How about this figure? Correct! A diagonal divides a parallelogram into two congruent triangles. Triangle MHT is congruent to triangle MAT, and triangle HMA is congruent to triangle HTA. Now, let us apply the different properties of a parallelogram in finding the measure of its angles, sides, and other quantities. Let us take the first example. Given parallelogram
GODL,
if side GO equals 12 centimeters, find the measure of side LD. Remember, opposite sides of a parallelogram are congruent. Side GO and side LD are opposite sides. So if side GO equals 12 centimeters and side GO is congruent to side LD, then side LD equals 12 centimeters. Letter B. If side GL equals 16 centimeters, find the measure of side OD. Remember, opposite sides of a parallelogram are congruent. Side GL and side OD are opposite sides. So, if side GL equals 16 centimeters and side GL is congruent to side OD, then side OD equals 16 centimeters. Letter C. If angle G equals 100 degrees, find the measure of angle D. Remember, opposite angles of a parallelogram are congruent. Angle G and angle D are opposite angles. So, if angle G equals 100 degrees and angle G is congruent to angle D, then angle D is equal to 100 degrees. Letter D. If angle O equals 80 degrees, find the measure of angle L. Remember, opposite angles of a parallelogram are congruent. Angle O and angle L are opposite angles. So, if angle O equals 80 degrees and angle O is congruent to angle L, then angle L equals 80 degrees. Letter E. If angle O equals 80 degrees, find the measure of angle D. Remember, consecutive angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. Angle O and angle D are supplementary angles. So let us solve. Angle O plus angle D equals 180 degrees. Angle O shall be substituted by 80 degrees plus angle D equals 180 degrees. Copy angle D equals 180 degrees and 80 degrees shall now become negative 80 degrees, applying division property of equality. Angle D equals 180 degrees minus 80 degrees equals 100 degrees. Therefore, angle D equals 100 degrees. Letter F. If segment LP equals 9 centimeters, find the measure of segment PO. Remember, diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So if segment LP equals 9 centimeters and segment LP is congruent to segment PO, then segment PO equals 9 centimeters. Second example, parallelogram PI and A, angle I equals 70 degrees. Side PK equals 24 centimeters. Side PI equals 33 centimeters. Find the measure of angle P, angle K, angle N, side IN, and side AN. If angle I equals 70 degrees, then angle N equals 110 degrees since they are supplementary. If angle N equals 110 degrees, then angle K equals 70 degrees since they are supplementary. If angle K equals 70 degrees, then angle P equals 110 degrees since they are supplementary. If angle I equals 70 degrees, then angle P equals 110 degrees since they are supplementary. If side PK equals 24 centimeters, then side IN is 24 centimeters since they are opposite sides. If side PI is 33 centimeters, then side AN is 33 centimeters since they are opposite sides. Third example, find the value of x, then find the measure of angle L and angle V in parallelogram LOVE. Let us solve. Angle L is congruent to angle V. Angle L is equal to 3x plus 6. Angle V is equal to 2x plus 19. So we have now the equation 3x plus 6 is equal to 2x plus 19. 3x plus 6 minus 6 minus 2x equals 2x minus 2x plus 19 minus 6. applying addition property of equality. 3x minus 2x is equal to 19 minus 6 by combining like terms. Therefore, x equals 13. Getting now the value of angle L, we are going to take
The given expression.
which is 3x plus 6 degrees. Substitute x by 13. So we have 3 times 13 plus 6 degrees. 3 times 13 equals 39 plus 6 equals 45. So, angle L equals 45 degrees. Next, angle V is equal to 2x plus 19 degrees. Substitute x with 13. 2 times 13 plus 19 degrees. 2 times 13 equals 26 plus 19 equals 45. So angle V equals 45. Therefore, x equals 13, angle L equals 45 degrees, and angle V equals 45 degrees. For example, find the value of x, then find the measure of angle V and angle E in parallelogram LOVE. Angle V and angle E are consecutive angles and are supplementary. So angle V plus angle E equals 180 degrees. Angle V is x minus 15 and angle E is 2x. So our equation is x minus 15 plus 2x equals 180 degrees. X minus 15 plus 15 plus 2x equals 180 degrees plus 15, applying addition property of equality. X plus 2x is 3x equals 180 plus 15 equals 195 degrees. Divide both sides by 3. So we have now x equals 65 degrees. Obtaining angle V equals x minus 15 degrees. Substitute x by 65 degrees. 65 minus 15 equals 50. So angle V equals 50 degrees. Next, angle E equals 2x degrees. 2 times 65 degrees is equal to 130 degrees. So, angle E equals 130 degrees. 50 plus 130 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. With example, in parallelogram BASE, segment CE equals 3x plus 17 and segment CA equals 7x plus 5. Find the value of x and the measure of the two segments. Segment CA is congruent to segment CE. So our equation now is 7x plus 5 equals 3x plus 17. 7x minus 3x plus 5 minus 5 equals 3x minus 3x plus 17 minus 5, applying addition property of equality. 7x minus 3x equals 4x. 5 minus 5 equals 0. 3x minus 3x equals 0. 17 minus 5 equals 12. We have 4x equals 12. Divide both sides by 4. So x is equal to 3. To obtain the length of segment CA, we have 7x plus 5. X shall be substituted by 3. 7 times 3 plus 5. 7 times 3 equals 21 plus 5 equals 26. So, segment CA equals 26. Next, segment CE equals 3x plus 17. Substitute x by 3. 3 times 3 plus 17. 3 times 3 equals 9 plus 17 equals 26. So segment CE equals 26. It's your turn to apply what you have gained in this lesson by solving the problem. You are given 60 seconds to do the task. Given parallelograms
CARE
where side CA equals 5x minus 24, side AR equals 3x plus 9, side RE equals 2x, side EC equals 5x plus 3, angle A equals 65 degrees, segment FE equals 14.5, and segment FR equals 9, find the measure of the following. Number 1, angle C. Number 2, angle R. Number 3, angle E. Number 4, side CA. Number 5, side ER. Number 6, side CE. Number 7, side AR. Number 8, segment FA. And number 9, segment FC. Timer starts now. Time is up. Let's check your work. Number 1, angle C equals 115 degrees. Number 2, angle R equals 115 degrees. Number 3, angle E equals 65 degrees. Number 4, side CA equals 16. Number 5, side ER equals 16. Number 6, side CE equals 18. Number 7, side AR equals 18. Number 8, segment FA equals 14.5. And number 9, segment FC equals 9. If you got 9 out of 9, congratulations! And that concludes our video lesson for today. See you on our next learning episode. Once again, I am Teacher Clever saying, mathematics may not teach us how to add love or subtract it, but it gives us hope that every problem has a solution. Bye!